It's okay. Everything is okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Virginia and Ethan do some dumb shit to my hair, and we see how it turns out. So in today's episode of our trials and tribulations with hair products and our DIY salon, I am not going to be the only subject. We have another victim.
Might cut it the sides and the back and then keep the top long, but I might just not cut my hair. It honestly depends on how I feel probably in the moment.
So for my project on my hair, it's going to be another haircut, this time not layers, you know, we're not going so bold. We are doing a straight across cut. Since my last video, my hair has grown out, have dyed it again, and cut it again. So, gonna do a little chop and going to take another stab at doing the balayage, but this time I'm going to try to do it all myself with maybe just some instructions from what's going on in the back of my head. Don't know how easy this will be on like my own person, especially because like I have no idea what is going on in the back of my head. But you know, we're young, we're fun, we're flirty. We'll see how that turns out. Looking forward to the end result, and hopefully I don't have to wear a hat for the next couple months. Welcome back. So now we are in the bathroom. I am wearing an old button down of Ethan's that was in the giveaway pile. He's wearing one of my old club shirts.
Shout out Culture Shock, be you.
Yeah, go check out my writing if you're interested. If not, that's cool too. So let's get started. First off, I will share the materials that we have for this great heist. First and foremost, the haircut scissors. For the coloring after I bleach it, I have once again the Wella Color Charm Demi-Permanent in Ash Blonde. Actually remembered gloves this time. Are we proud? Some moisturizing treatment for afterwards so that I can treat and nourish my definitely damaged hair. Getting real professional and got this bigger mixing bowl. It's actually big enough to fit how much bleach I'm gonna need. A tinier brush so that I don't make as many mistakes. The Mambo Jumbo bucket of bleach that I have because I got it last time for the first bleach, which was for, first of all, way more hair. And yeah, I definitely didn't need this much bleach, but it was the only size that was available online. So I kind of figured I would just keep doing a bunch of experiments with my hair. So here we are. Past me had my back. My last two items are the two developers. I really don't know what developers do. I don't know why one number is for the bleach and one number is for the dye. I don't ask a lot of questions. I just follow the directions of YouTube videos and that I like the results of. So like, we'll see. So now we are ready for phase one, the big chop. It's not really big because my hair's already short, but we're gonna chop it a little. Nervous, but also like.
Wow, you look cute as heck.
Okay, I'm gonna show you all the carnage right now. This is what went down. Goodbye, hair. Got a blast. So the official review after seeing this in the mirror for the first time is that I like it and I'm happy. So now Ethan's gonna do some like just little trims to even out the ends and just comb through and see what's happening. So stay tuned.
You look really good. I like it. I'd say that's a wrap.
Okay, so I'm really digging this. Like, don't know why I have the viewfinder out like that, but I really like it. I was not liking how overgrown. That was scaring me. I didn't like how overgrown it was looking. I feel like this makes me feel like a powerful businesswoman, ready to get that deal, sign on that partner, just do the most. And now I'm gonna be lightening it.
Plus that was easy. I can definitely trim that just like when I cut my hair as well.
I have
Doesn't take that long.
literally a stylist as a boyfriend, like truly blessed out here. So now let's move on to Ethan's before and dramatic after.
Oh yeah, well here's my before. She's, you know, it's not like long, but it's just like, especially down here because my hair gets like kind of curly, it like starts to, I don't know, wave out, so nip that in the bud and yeah, just clean it up. I don't know, probably take me like 10 minutes, so. Ooh,
What a blessing. Although you did this pretty fast. It was like,
yeah, honestly, it was pretty easy.
still
Just
probably like
straight
10 minutes.
but yeah, this is easy because it's like you just go like, yeah, it's done.
Did you get that tutorial? There you go. So here's a little quick before. Do a little 360 for me. Ooh, that was beautiful. Very speedy. Do a cool transition into what it looks like after, because I could do that. What? Love it. Okay, so the haircut is completed.
Hello.
Give us a little, oh wait, let me actually straighten this. Work.
So yeah.
So this is the haircut, and now we're gonna be working on bleaching this boy up.
And they're blonde as fuck.
Yes, taking you back to your roots,
Literally.
to your childhood. Let's insert a cute little picture of Ethan as a baby with bleach blonde hair. Very cute content. Okay, so we have mixed up our goodies. Me trying to put it in front of the camera. Have the bleach solution. I don't have saran wrap like I wanted to last time. I have gloves, so you know the trade-off is fine. I'm going to be using aluminum foil. Hopefully it works the same. I don't really know, but we'll see. So I don't have any clips. Didn't think out that step. It's fine. So I'm just going to do like this funky flipping of my hair so that I can get the pieces that are underneath here. And I'm gonna just give it a go because that's my life motto. First I'm gonna separate it into this little sections like this. Hope that gravity doesn't play me. I just kind of barely put it at the top, and now I'm gonna, ooh, that was a clump. Saturate the bottom.
Do clips. What do you prefer?
Sometimes you forget about the bleach that gets on your fingers. It's okay. Everything is okay. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna use the aluminum foil. Just gonna kind of go for it. When you don't have a ponytail, your man's is your ponytail. And if this is not doing the most for your partner, I don't know what is. I'm not really doing balayage at this point, just kind of like going up and down.
Hi guys, now Virginia's on the side of her hair, looking great. I made up 2 songs. One's called Chiquita Lentita and the other one I forget what it's called, but oh yeah, it's called She's a Bleacher. Well, I'll give you one line from one of the songs. She's a bleacher.
Really
so, I'm not gonna give you any more than that.
Where I have no idea what the fuck is going on.
You can do it. Don't worry guys, she's talented, she can do it.
Does it look like a girl who's making some mistakes, maybe? Now is the waiting period. I have all the bleach on my hair and I need to wait for 40 minutes to get it, you know, lightened to the color that I want, at least the color that I saw in that video. So I'm just kind of hanging out. It looks kind of cool just like this. Kind of looks like I have gray hair, and
She looks like a hot grandma.
that's Ethan's official statement for the record. Why is this flash thing up? Like, I barely understand how to use technology is what I'm getting at.
We're gonna get a new camera though. It's gonna
Yeah.
be smaller so Virginia likes it.
This one is just like, she's really thick and carrying it is not fun. Like, you see this one little hand? You can have a Popeye arm and then just like a flail noodle arm, and I don't know if that's really what I'm going for, like the look that I'm going for.
Also,
Thanks
like
so
and
much.
subscribe if you've been enjoying the video so far. Hi, I'm sitting on the shower.
Yeah, you are.
Just waiting, you know how it is. Hi.
Okay, so I washed out, well, Ethan washed out in the sink like a little baby, put my head just leaning back. Felt very much like I was in a DIY salon for real. So washed out the bleach. I can see some of the lightness. It's hard to tell when my hair is dark and wet. That didn't make sense. It's hard to tell when my hair is wet because it is dark. Love the English language. So now I'm going to use that, this Wella color charm, because it is going to help tone out my hair a bit, make it a little less red. So that's the next step. I'm only gonna leave it in for 5 minutes, wash it all out, and then I should be good to go. Tuck it in, secured.
Tuck in those titties. A titty tuck.
Titty tuck. I feel like I just kind of want to smoosh this one on, because I kind of want it everywhere. And I don't know how that works. I don't know why, but the hairs over there always take the bleach so much more powerfully than the rest of my hair. Like my top
Very
layers.
pretty though. I like it a lot.
It's probably not the professional way of putting on hair dye, but it's the way I'm gonna do it. Oh wow, battery is dying. Gotta do this quick. Okay, so welcome to the outro. You made it to the end of the video. So proud of you. You saw the journey, the trials, the tribulations that we went through to get here. But here we are. I really liked the cut, ultimately, even when I styled it not pin straight, which is always a questionable action that happens at salons. Like, they style your hair into a certain look after your haircut and you're like, I love it, and then you try like the way you actually do your hair and it looks
It's
like
so bad.
trash, and you're
so
like
different.
and then but you already gave them like hefty tip, like you were like, they did the best, they did me right, and you've like recommended this person to so many others, and then you do your own hair and you're like, I've been scammed, I have been played. But thankfully I liked it both ways, and the color didn't come out as light as I thought it was going to, but honestly I think that maybe worked in my favor because it's not like totally even, but it's passable and I can like walk around and no one's like absolutely questioning my hair decisions in life. Like, maybe I could have gone to a salon. I don't know, depends. People who actually work at salons probably look at the pattern of the lightning and are like, this girl did this at home with zero expertise in one YouTube video, and she would not be wrong. I want to talk about your hair process. What happened? What went down?
Well, we didn't have enough bleach to bleach my hair, so we didn't bleach my hair. We put, what was it? I don't know, we put something on it.
We put like the dye that I put on my hair. It's like ash blonde color from Wella that was used to tone my hair, and we used it on it.
It didn't like really do anything. Like, we put it on the top and not the sides, and I feel like, sorry, I also have headache, but I feel like you can't really tell, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter. So I mean, yeah, I cut my hair. I didn't shave because I forgot. So ain't done that either.
We can still try. Maybe next video is us bleaching Ethan's hair. If you would like that to happen, please comment down below what you think we should do to Ethan's hair next time.
Yeah, we should bleach it because today at Goodwill I just got these new jeans from the ladies section. Awesome. They're from American Eagle. They fit me really well. Oh, and I got new shoes. I mean, maybe we'll do a different video on this.
Yeah, maybe a thrift haul. We'll see. We do love to thrift together.
Okay, we should do our Walmart haul. We ran up a bill. We ate so much.
It's a food haul, but we're gonna be eating our best lives while we're here.
You know, you gotta treat yourself. It's spring break or whatever, so at least for me.
My whole life is spring break now. It's amazing and terrifying. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll be making some more videos, maybe on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Not trying to make any promises I can't keep. But either way, subscribe if you'd like to see more content from me/us. And
what did you see today? If you like it, like it. If you love it, sub it.
That you can't just
Did
steal
they
something
trademark it?
from another YouTuber. Like, that's not how that works.
We're gonna comment their name down below, but that's
They're
our
the
new
sorry
thing.
girls. It's not our new thing. Delete that.
We're the thankful girls. Anyway, I'm gonna have to maintain chips. But see you
Yeah,
guys.
it's fine. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Like and comment down below. Subscribe to our video if you love us. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.